How to create account in Western Union in 2024. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Western Union sign up. Move into the very first site, register now. It will be landing you on the official page of Western Union. In order to open an account, you have to fill up all of these necessary informations. So first of all, enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, and then enter your email address. You have to enter your active email address, where they will be able to contact you. After that, you have to create a password for your account. The password should be strong and meet the criteria. Once you have entered all the information that has been asked, click on this checkbox. Once done, tap on register at the bottom. Once you have clicked on register, follow the on-screen process, and then your account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create an account in Western Union in 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.